Faroes Apama was established July 2008 as a joint Icelandic-Faroese enterprise. The company's focus is on processing dried fish heads and backbones for the markets in Nigeria. Delta Seafood, which owns 20% of the company, is the main raw materials supplier. Faroes Apama operates a freezing facility in Faroe. Here, raw material not intended for the Nigerian markets is ground, frozen into mink feed, and sold to Denmark. Ludvig Haraldsson is the managing director of Faroes Apama. With over 30 years of experience with drying operations in Iceland, he was also founding member of FMP in Leirvik, which he served as chairman of the board during its first 3 years of operation.
Yeah.